On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie. 4. Berries, cupcakes with homemade mixed berry jam. Ingredients. To a bowl, add a third cup of oil. Half a cup of light brown sugar. Add 1. And a half cup of sifted, self-raising flour. One egg. A third cup of coconut milk. And a pinch of salt. One and a half teaspoons of vanilla extract. I really like how this batter looks and smells. A cup of flour-coated frozen mixed berries. Fold the berries into the mixture with a spoon. Add rice to the bottom of the cupcake tins. Before placing cupcake cases on top. Carefully spoon the mixture into each case. Bake in a preheated oven set to 170 degrees Celsius. Ingredients for the mixed berry jam. Start with rolling your lemon. Put frozen strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries in a saucepan over a high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, some icing sugar. Add 1/8 of a cup until the sweetness is to your liking. Reduce to a medium-high heat and add the zest of a lemon. And the juice of half a lemon. And that's your very own mixed berry jam. Set half of it aside and allow to cool. To the other half, keep on a medium to low heat and add some single cream to it. Cover with lid and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Set aside and allow to cool. After 25 to 30 minutes, remove from oven and leave in the tin for 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer to a wire rack and allow to cool. On a few of the cupcakes, I spooned some of the warm jam with cream. And a light dusting of icing sugar. Then spoon some of the cool jam on top of a few other cupcakes. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy these very delicious, fluffy, 4 berries cupcakes with homemade jam. 8.5 out of 10 for these berry cupcakes. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all, and God bless.